Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 0202, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 0202? What's the symbolism of 0202? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 0202 mean for love? What does 0202 mean for twin flames? What does 0202 for manifestation? How does angel number 0202 affect finances? What does 0202 mean for former relationships? How does 0202 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 0202? What are the weaknesses of angel number 0202? What's the meaning of angel number 0202? Angel number 0202 represents balance, duality, and spiritual alignment. It blends the cooperative and peace-seeking nature of number 2 with the infinite possibilities and divine energy of number 0. This number is a reminder from your angels to remain patient and trust in the unseen progress happening in your life. It often appears when you're facing important decisions or life shifts, urging you to find harmony within and with others. 0202 emphasizes inner calm, faith in the universe, and a focus on nurturing relationships and partnerships that support your highest path. What's the symbolism of angel number 0202? Symbolically, angel number 0202 stands for harmony, duality, intuition, and cycles. The presence of 2 reflects balance, diplomacy, and the importance of relationships, while 0 symbolizes both endings and beginnings, representing spiritual growth and potential. Repeating in this pattern, 0202 encourages you to examine the balance between your inner and outer world. It's a symbol of trusting divine timing, aligning with your soul mission, and letting go of control. The mirrored structure of the number also highlights the importance of self-reflection and recognizing that your reality mirrors your inner state. What is the angel number 0202 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 0202 signifies trust in divine timing and the need to align with your higher self. It encourages you to cultivate patience, inner peace, and faith in your spiritual journey. The number 2's energy promotes service, intuition, and connection with others, while 0 amplifies divine support and spiritual awakening. When combined, these energies suggest you're being guided to develop emotional maturity and spiritual wisdom through your life experiences. 0202 reminds you to ground your spirituality in compassion and understanding, knowing that your angels are helping you navigate your soul's purpose with grace and support. What does angel number 0202 mean for love? In love, angel number 0202 signifies emotional balance, mutual understanding, and deep connection. It encourages open communication, trust, and compromise in relationship. For those in a partnership, 0202 may signal a phase of emotional healing or the need to strengthen the bond through empathy and support. For singles, it suggests taking time to align with your inner truth before entering a new relationship. This number promotes the idea that love thrives in environments of harmony, patience, and respect. It also emphasizes the importance of self-love as a foundation for attracting healthy and meaningful romantic connections. What does angel number 0202 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 0202 symbolizes harmony, spiritual mirroring, and emotional evolution. It may indicate that you and your twin flame are going through a phase of balancing energies, resolving inner conflicts, or preparing for deeper union. The mirrored number structure reflects the twin flame dynamic, where each soul is a reflection of the other. It suggests that spiritual and emotional alignment is necessary before physical reunion. 0202 encourages faith, patience, and compassion as both individuals undergo growth. It's a sign that your connection is divinely guided, even if challenges are present in the current phase. What does angel number 0202 for manifestation? When it comes to manifestation, angel number 0202 encourages patience, trust, and alignment with your higher purpose. It suggests your intentions are taking shape behind the scenes and urges you to remain faithful to your vision, even if results aren't immediate. This number emphasizes the importance of emotional balance and clear intention in the manifestation process. The energy of 2 supports cooperation and intuition, while 0 amplifies spiritual power and infinite possibility. You are reminded to stay grounded, listen to your inner guidance, and co-create with the universe by maintaining a calm, positive mindset and believing in divine timing. How does angel number 0202 affect finances? Financially, angel number 0202 suggests balance and cautious progress. It encourages thoughtful decisions, strategic planning, and trust in long-term outcomes rather than quick fixes. If you've been facing financial stress, 0202 offers reassurance that stability is possible through patience and practical effort. It may also indicate that collaborative financial ventures or partnerships can bring mutual benefit. The number warns against impulsive spending and highlights the need for budgeting and balance. Your angels remind you that abundance flows from inner peace and mindful choices. Trust that as you align with purpose and wisdom, your financial situation will steadily improve. What does angel number 0202 mean for former relationships? Angel number 0202, in the context of past relationships, suggests healing and emotional closure. It invites you to reflect on lessons learned and restore balance within yourself before moving forward. This number encourages forgiveness, whether of others or yourself, and letting go of lingering emotional pain. It may also indicate that past relationships have served a spiritual purpose, helping you grow into a more compassionate and self-aware version of yourself. Whether or not reconciliation is possible, the true message of 0202 is emotional equilibrium and clarity. Your angels are guiding you to release the past and open your heart to renewal. How does angel number 0202 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 0202 promotes teamwork, diplomacy, and purpose-driven action. It encourages you to collaborate with others, maintain professional harmony, and approach work challenges with emotional intelligence. If you're facing uncertainty, 0202 reassures you that patience and inner alignment will lead you to the right path. It may signal a time to reassess your goals and ensure they align with your values. The number also highlights the power of supportive partnerships and effective communication in the workplace. Your angels guide you to a career path that reflects balance, service, and spiritual fulfillment. What are the strengths of angel number 0202? The strengths of angel number 0202 include emotional intelligence, diplomacy, patience, and spiritual depth. Individuals influenced by this number are often empathetic, intuitive, and skilled at maintaining harmony in their relationship. They are naturally cooperative and find fulfillment in supporting others while maintaining their own inner balance. The number 0202 also provides a strong foundation for spiritual awareness and a deep connection with divine guidance. These individuals are able to see both sides of a situation and act with compassion. Their steady, calming energy can be a source of support and healing for those around them. What are the weaknesses of angel number 0202? Weaknesses associated with angel number 0202 may include indecision, passivity, and emotional overdependence. People influenced by this number might avoid conflict to keep the peace, even when speaking up is necessary. They can struggle with self-doubt or delay action while waiting for external validation. The desire for harmony can sometimes lead to codependent behavior or sacrificing their own needs for others. Additionally, they may have difficulty moving forward when faced with emotional disruptions. To grow, they must learn to trust their intuition, establish healthy boundaries, and take initiative without losing their natural sensitivity and compassion.